Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee, and thank you for joining me today. This is the card I have to share with you today. Isn't it lovely? It's a really simple design. This one is in the horizontal format, but you could easily have it just as in the vertical format as well. And this is very simple panel design. So this one uses Fresh as a Daisy, and I've got garden green here. This time I'm going to be using Moody Mauve ink, and it's also Fresh as a Daisy designer series paper, but a different pattern. And we're going to cut this into 3, and this piece actually measures 10 centimeters, I think 10 centimeters by 13.85 centimeters, and this is going to be cut down into 3 panels, each measuring 4.6 centimeters. So 4.6 and then 4.6. Okay, and I'm going to keep each one in order so I know which way it goes, so you can see there. Okay, get rid of the trimmer, bring in our card base, and this time we're going to do it in the horizontal format as I explained before. So we're going to just line up our pieces now. My piece of card flat. And just make sure everything fits nicely, which it does. Then I'm going to get some Tombow, just so it'll give me a bit of wiggle room. And I'm going to put these down, so there's one. And it's really important to keep them in the orientation you cut them, in the right order, especially if there's a pattern like this one. Otherwise you might get yourself quite confused about what goes where. That would not be a good thing. Okay, so our last one here. Now, having said that, I think I put it in the wrong way. Yeah, I did. But that's the beauty of Tombow. You've got a bit of time to fix your mistake. There we go. Okay, simple and sweet. So our sentiment is going to be from Go To Greetings, and it's going to be Happy Birthday. And I've got a piece here of Scrap Basic White. Moody Mauve ink. This is one of our new ink colours, and I have to say, when I first saw it, I wasn't too enamoured with it, but having since got it at home and used it, I really like it. It's like a dusty pink to me. Really like this a lot. There we go. Once it dries, it will also look a lot lighter than it does there. Okay, so let's put that aside. And now we're just going to cut this out by hand. So okay, and there. Let's see how this is going to look on our piece. I think I want a little bit more off. I think I want it to be a closer cut than that. So the best thing is you can't put more on, but you can always take off. So start with too much, and then you can come down to what you might want. I'll take a tiny bit off the top. I think that's going to be fine. So let's move that out the way. Get rid of these pieces. And let's just see how this looks. Yeah, that's going to be fine. I'm going to mat it on this really big scrap of another new in colour called Wild Wheat. Normally I wouldn't use such a big scrap, but the colour's brand new, so don't have any small scraps yet. Haven't used it enough to create any small scraps. Okay. And we're just going to cut round this with our scissors. There we go. Eek. Everything's falling everywhere. So let's see how that looks. That looks fine. So let's get some dimensionals, if we can find some. Here they are. I'm going to put some on the back here. As usual, I'm generous with my dimensionals. You can use as few or as many as you want. There we go. Okay. Take the backings off. Get rid of them. And then I'll plop this down in the center here, in the center panel. Just like that. And then I have some dots here. These are adhesive back dots, and I used these ones on my last project on the other card. These are the 2000. These are our in colour dots. Let's have a look. See, I think I'm going to use these dots. These ones. I think these are the copper clay dots. I'll just use 3, so if I can get them off the sheet. There we go. It's because I've got glue on my fingers. Surprise, surprise. I'm just going to put a few here and there, almost like flower centres. No, I want a bigger one. 1, 2, 3. I think there. I'm going to have it just there. Okay. So there we have our 2 cards. Exactly the same, but just 2 different orientations. It comes out looking totally different. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know. And please don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you want more information about the videos, supply list, measurements, etc., it's all on the blog post on my website, and the links to that, all my social media links, are in the description box below. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.